Okay then, so we have a hammer, we have a beetle, I press play and the hammer is whacking away. Now I think in the last task video I was waiting 0.5 seconds and I realised that was a bit slow, so I've changed that to wait 0.2 seconds between switching between the costumes and of the hammer, that's looking pretty good, I think. I'm quite happy with the whacking speed on that hammer. Now, what I want to do is, to make the game work, I want to be able to move that hammer around. And the sensible thing to do is have the hammer follow the cursor. So if I move my cursor on the beetle, the hammer should whack the beetle. How do we get the hammer to follow the cursor? Well, actually, there's a really simple command to use, and it's this one. It says here, go to random position. But if I take that out and press the arrow, go to mouse pointer. Now, I'm deliberately going to do this wrong. So you're probably thinking, okay, no problem. When the green flag is clicked, we can put that in there, and we can put that like that, and we press the green flag, and the hammer's gone up there. And when I move down, it's not following the cursor. The reason for that is, look at this command here. You say to the computer, hammer, go to the mouse pointer. It did. Hammer, make yourself smaller. Well, it did, but it was so quick we didn't see it. And then it says forever. So the whole thing is, the only instruction the computer's doing is this set of instructions here. Switch to hammer, wait 0.2 seconds. Switch to costume, hammer 2, wait 0.2 seconds. It's doing that whole whacking thing. And that's all it's doing, because that's all we're telling the computer to do. We haven't told it to go to the mouse pointer again, to keep going to the mouse pointer. The whole point being is we want the hammer to follow the mouse pointer forever. So you might be thinking, oh, in that case, should that one not go inside there? And the answer is, it works, sort of. Now, that's not a lag on your screen. It's jerky because it's taking a bit of time to follow the hammer. I'll just move it around in a circle, like so, and you can see it's quite laggy. And the reason for that is that, look at the commands. Go to mouse pointer, and then it's got to go through switching to costume hammer, waiting a bit of a second, switching to costume hammer 2, waiting a bit of a second, and then it will go to the mouse pointer. Now, if I do this as 1 second and 1 second, it sort of will emphasise this a bit more. Watch the delay now. I'm following, look at my cursor, and look, the hammer is taking a long time to follow the cursor, because it's only doing it every sort of 2 seconds, because basically the command is, hammer, go to the mouse pointer, switch to costume hammer, wait 1 second, switch to costume hammer 2, wait another second, and then go to the mouse pointer. So it's 2 seconds between every time it goes to the mouse pointer. So this, whoops, doesn't go in there. You can use that block more than once. You can have 2 different sets of scripts. So here's your little challenge now. Hopefully it's quite simple. When the green flag is clicked, we want the hammer whacking on one block here, and when the green flag is clicked, the hammer must follow that mouse pointer forever. See if you can solve it.